Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up fingerprint and face unlock on the VIVO X300. So if you want to set up a fingerprint scanner or the face identification unlock on the VIVO X300 to prevent other people from logging in, you can do that by going to the settings and then scrolling down to security and privacy, and here tap on device unlocking. So here you have a few options, so screen lock, not set, fingerprint, face, and theft protection. Let's tap on screen lock first. So choose a screen lock. First off, we need to add a PIN code. This is the most important thing, so maybe if your face is covered or your fingerprint is not working, you can always unlock it with a PIN or a pattern or a password. So I'm going to select PIN. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. It warns me that the password is simple and easy to guess, but I'm going to continue anyways. This is just an example. You can use your own. And once the PIN is set, we can go back to fingerprint and face. So let's set up the fingerprint scanner first. It's going to ask us to enter the PIN. And you can see we can decide what we use the fingerprint scanner for. So you can do unlock or privacy password. I'm going to do unlock. And it's going to ask me to set up the fingerprint. So the fingerprint scanner is located behind the screen, right here where the thumbprint is, where the thumbprint icon is. So if you just tap like this and let the fingerprint scanner scan our finger like this, it's going to show us where it hasn't scanned yet. And as you can see, it's a pretty quick process and it's already done. So now we can move on to Face ID. So if we enter the password again, we can use Face ID for, once again, either unlock or privacy password. To use unlock. And here is where it's going to ask for a Face ID scan. So align your face in the circular frame, and then you're going to need to move your face around in a circle until it scans each side. So I'm going to do that right now. So there we go. The face unlock is complete. It's also a pretty fast process. So I'm going to press OK. And now that every single option is enabled, we can turn off our phone, turn it on. And here, as you can see, there's a circle right here where the fingerprint scanner is located. So if I place my finger like that, oh, it was a different finger. So like that, as you can see, it immediately unlocks. And it's the same with Face ID. All you need to do is just turn on your phone, point it at your face, and as you can see, it unlocks automatically. So that's pretty much it. This is how you use the fingerprint and Face ID on the VIVO X300. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.